In this video, we will learn how to ship an order with Shiprocket. By default, all new orders, whether added manually or imported through sales channels, will be visible in the Order screen's New tab. To see all available courier options, click the Ship Now button. You can view each courier's rating, expected pickup and delivery dates, charged weight, and final charges here. If you haven't already, you can choose to secure your high-value shipment at this point. Click the Ship Now button to have your order delivered by your preferred courier partner. Once you've assigned a courier, an AWB number will be assigned to the shipment. You will be prompted to schedule a pickup for your order. You have the option of scheduling the pickup right away or later. To schedule the pickup, select the date of the pickup and click on Schedule Pickup.